Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today I have a very special video for you. This is my steam sauna room. I picked this up on Amazon during Black Friday sales. They had quite a bit. I've always wanted one. It was the right time to get one. We're gonna put it together and try it out. The actual room here. Okay, so this is what you got when you open it up. You got the tent. You got what looks like a bottom, possibly a protective liner that you build the tent on top of. You got the framework. You got a Brillo pad, possibly some cleaner in there. You got the steam generator, some tubing. So I like the remote. I wasn't sure if that was going to come with it, but that's nice. You can turn it down or turn it up when you're in it. In the chair. Can't tell you how many times I do something and then I don't read the directions and I'm having to do it over twice. Make sure that you listen to all the warnings and adhere to all the rules. All right, we're gonna begin putting the framework together. Tells you which pieces go where. It looks like the rods thread together pretty good, and then they got the elbow pieces for the corners. Okay, we got the frame put together. It wasn't too bad at all. Follow the directions. Each rod just pushes into these plastic corners, and it was really easy to put together there. You just thread them together. So yeah, it worked out really well. We are going to open up the tarp liner and we're gonna put it on the frame and we'll see how that goes. There you have it. Got it set up. It was a little tight getting the tarp onto the frame, but it can be done. You just have to unzip it all the way before putting it on the frame. Not too bad, not too bad at all. So it looks like you got a little spot in here. I don't know if I'll take my phone in there yet, haven't decided, but I probably will. Hopefully it doesn't hurt the phone. And then we got to get the steam hooked up, so I got to read the directions, see how to get the steam box hooked up in there. Okay, so this piece they give you is actually the floor. Just kind of put that down there. To hook the steam up, you'll see this port on the back corner. Take the tubing, just slide it over. And then go ahead and hook this up to the lid. Just put it on. And on the inside, the tubing hooks up there and it goes to this diffuser. When purchasing a steam tent, I was reading the comments. A lot of people said that this tent doesn't leak. However, I'm putting it on wood floors right now. I don't want it to leak at all. So I am gonna put a towel underneath just kind of as a fail-safe. Hopefully it doesn't leak at all, but if it does, the towel will be there to grab some of that moisture. Pretty nice, we'll put some water in it. Let's test this puppy out, I'm excited. You got windows, so if it gets too hot, you wanna let some fresh air in. Let some of that steam out, that's all right. My directions say not to exceed 2 liters of water in the steamer, So I looked up how much 2 liters of water is. It's 8.5 cups. We're gonna put 8 cups in it just to be safe, and we'll see how that goes. There's 4 cups. Put the lid on. Now this is pretty slick. It comes with batteries. I like it. Pull that on out. And hit power. Let's see. Heating to 8. 9 is the highest. You can go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what 8's about. And for the timer, it recommends 45 minutes, but you can go longer to 99 minutes. That seems like a really long time. We're gonna do 45 minutes. Yeah, directions recommend 45 minutes, so I'm gonna stick to what they say. Okay, we'll give it some time and see how it works. I think I got it started. We got the steam sauna all hooked up and running. It seems very hot inside there. I'm gonna head in there. We're gonna see what it's about. I'm really excited to try this out. It sounds just like a rice cooker. I did pop the temperature gauge in there. However, it's stuck in Celsius. I can't figure out how to put it to Fahrenheit. Here we go. Yep. I've been in here for a bit now. It's up to 34 degrees Celsius and climbing. It's almost too hot. I might have to get out of here. We'll see. It's really nice though. Feels good. I'm just sweating. I don't know if that's sweat or if it's condensation. Just covered. You need a shower after this, probably. More than likely, I probably wouldn't just go climb into bed. Well, it is incredibly steamy inside here right now. I am just drenched with steam and maybe sweat. So it really is what it says it is. These steam saunas, incredible. I gotta say, this might be too much for me on level 9. Getting a temperature reading of 36.3 degrees Celsius. Back in the pouch. I think I've exposed myself to enough sauna steam, but we're gonna hang in there and push it just a little bit. Always consult your doctor before entering one of these. That's pretty good. I think I'm gonna call it at 36.7 degrees Celsius. Humidity 99%. Think about it. It's very steamy in here. That's about all I could take. There you have it. That is my first time going in the new steam sauna. I'm really excited about it. So we're gonna see how that goes. Well, thank you for watching this video. I really hope you liked it on the steam sauna tent that I picked up on Amazon. If you have any questions or comments, please do leave them below and I will answer them when I can. If you could please hit that like button, that helps YouTube place us just a little bit higher. Head over to our channel, check it out. We got some more stuff. I'm probably gonna do a couple more videos on this here because it's really, really, really nice and therapeutic for me. But otherwise, you have a great day. Take care.